Dollar index. Okay, so interesting. It's right at the 618 level, so it did its full monthly move here. I have a sip of my coffee. It did its full monthly move here. Now it's retracing, hitting this 618 zone just perfectly. So that's nice to see. Obviously, if you would have taken this retracement trade, which I marked out before, you would have hit it perfectly without any drawdown or anything like that. So, you know, a nice 6R trade right there based on just a retracement. Very, very high reward trade. So, can delete that, I guess. And then, yeah, so next month, I mean, that's what we're basically looking at is for next month. But so it is bearish. It's below this moving average. It does look to be rejecting this 618 zone after it's retraced. So I do think the dollar wants to head lower. I think its range is about 3.75. So, you know, next month we're going to be looking at new lows, most likely down here. So that's, yeah. Well, I'll map all this out probably on Monday or Tuesday, probably Tuesday after the month closes. We'll find all of our monthly positions to take advantage of, but as of right now, yeah, it just looks like it's rejecting this area, which is normal, and that's, you know, that's exactly what I thought it would do. After it made its monthly movement down, it's just retracing, and now most likely we'll do something like this and just create a further extension of this movement. You know, the lower lows, lower highs, all the way down to this area starting next month. So